my third video. In this video, I am going to explain about the changing the state of matter. All of you know the state of matter are interchangeable. What is the change of state of matter? A substance changing from one physical state to another physical state, it is called changing of state of matter. Now I am going to explain changing the physical state from solid to liquid, from solid substance to it converting to liquid substance by changing temperature, by increasing or decreasing the temperature. For example, we take a beaker, and inside the beaker we take some ice cubes. Inside the beaker we take some ice cube and we start heating. We start heating, and here we fix one thermometer. One thermometer we fix here. Place inside our beaker. With the help of this, we can take the temperature of our ice cube. If it is -5 degree, if it is -5 degree centigrade, and after 2 minutes we see that the temperature on thermometer it will be 0 degree, and at 0 degree it remain constant, and all the ice cube start melting. And at 0 degree all the solid water convert into liquid water, means water at 0 degree centigrade. When all the ice cube convert into water, liquid, then the temperature start once again rising. This is the after rising the temperature, it start 20, 25, 40, 60, 70, 80, and when it reach at 100 degree, it start boiling. And at 100 degree once again temperature in the thermometer it is constant, and water start converting into vapor, into gas, and water start into vapor. The physical state of water start converting into gaseous state. To explain this activity with the help of graph and equation. Here we take ice and heat. It convert into water. Water again heat. We provide heat and it convert into vapor. It is solid, then liquid. Solid convert into liquid, and then it convert into gas. This is the equation which explain the changing of state, solid from solid to liquid, liquid to gas. Now I explain it with the help of a graph. On the y-axis and here x-axis. Here we take temperature here 0, 25, 50, 75, 100, and this side time, we take time. Here 2 minutes, 4 minutes, 6 minutes, 8 and 10 minutes. Time in minute, here in minute. Temperature in centigrade. Here. Now when we take our water ice cubes, that time the temperature it is -5. That time temperature it is -5, means here when after 2 minutes, after heating 2 minutes, it come to the 0 degree. At 0 degree all the water converted into all the ice cube converted into liquid, and then it start heating it. After 10 minutes, after 10 minutes heating, it comes on the 100-degree temperature, and after that it convert into gas at 100-degree temperature. Stop, and all the gas, all the liquid water convert into vapor, and then start rising the temperature. Then now this is the graph which explain, by which we can explain the temperature and the gaseous, the state change of the substance. First of all, we take the substance water at the minus 5 degree centigrade, and after that, after 2 minutes it is at 0 degree, and 2 minutes it is at 0 degree, and all the solid water convert into liquid. From here it is at liquid in the liquid state, and temperature is rising continuously with the time, and at after 9 minutes or 10 minutes it is at 100 degree. At 100 degree it is convert all the liquid water into gaseous water vapor, and the temperature constant at the 100 degree. After few minutes, after 2 minutes, all the gaseous state, all the liquid water convert into gas water vapor. Student, I want to explain the solid convert into liquid. Why it convert into liquid? What is the mechanism? I explain here. All of you know that inside the solid, all the particles are tightly packed. All the particles of solid tightly packed, and the intermolecular force or intermolecular distance of the particles is very less, and the cohesion force or intermolecular attraction force is very high in solid. Intermolecular attraction force is very high in solid, and due to that they have fixed set. When we provide heat means external energy. The external energy get all the particles, and due to that they have their kinetic energy. All of you know that all the particles of matter always in motion. Their kinetic energy increase. When we provide heat means they get energy, they get extra energy. That extra energy means they have more kinetic energy, they start vibrating, and due to that energy they can overcome from the force of attraction, cohesion force, and due to that they overcome from the cohesion force, and they can start vibrating fast, and due to that they convert into liquid. They can go apart. And whenever we give more energy to, once again we heat liquid, then liquid particle get extra energy, and due to that energy they have more kinetic energy. Kinetic energy increase. Due to kinetic energy increase, all the particles of liquid start vibrating fast and move apart, and due to liquid convert into gas, which have no fixed shape and no fixed volume. In this activity, we have taken our ice cube at the temperature -5 degrees centigrade. When we start heating, temperature start rising from -5 to 0 degree. Within 2 minutes it change. After 2 minutes it is constant at 0 degree, and then start rising. Even though I am providing continuously heat, still temperature constant at 0 degree. Due to the phenomenon of latent heat, I will explain in later video.